Today is very special because AI has just jumped a whole new level. You might have noticed some crazy footage, crazy videos on social media just in your feed all the time. Vloggers that look like monkeys or Sasquatches or Bigfoots holding cameras and it looks like super real. It was actually very easy to make those videos, and if you don't know what I mean, I'm going to show you in a second. And these people's videos are in just the millions of views. These are everyday people making these for very little cost, and anybody can do it. So let me show you what I mean.
If you're seeing this, smash that like button and maybe, I don't know, build a bunker or something. Also, do zombies eat fur? Asking for a friend. They're everywhere!
So that's the first example. Let me show you another.
Today I'll be unboxing my newest gear, Artisan Shepherd Sling, handcrafted in Bethlehem, eco-friendly leather strap, aerodynamic stone action. Let's test it on a watermelon.
How did they make these epic videos? What they're using is a tool called VO3. And there's different variations, and it's made by Gemini, Google. One you want is called Flow, and that's where you can make short films and you can extend them longer, and you can make real animations and very realistic characters. The voice and sound is all done for you. The background's done for you. Everything's done for you with just a couple clicks, and they just cancel at the end of the month. Anybody can use this software to grow on social media. If you guys want to learn how to do that, I'm creating a free tool called the AI Content Creation Bible, where you can grow your social media with faceless, great content like this and get millions of views. And if you want that, just opt into my bio link and you'll be on my mailing list. And once it's available, I'll send you out a free copy. It's kind of a thanks for joining, and it's in the beta right now, and I'll see you in the next video.